Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, I will show you how to replace the new battery with the iPhone X battery jump kit. It can be seen that the battery block of this iPhone is already very sealed and the screen is pushed out. We first remove two rear fixing screws. Use the tool to open the screen gap, then use the pick to open the screen. After uncovering the screen, unscrew the cable cover of the motherboard and take out the cover. Then disconnect the power cable and the cable between the screens and the motherboard. Remove the screen. It can be seen that the block of the battery is very serious. Put a protective film on the Face ID module and then remove the battery. First, pull out the adhesive on the back of the battery, then remove the battery. Here you can see the difference between the new battery and the jump pack battery is very obvious. Now, to replace the new battery, first peel off the protective film of the battery adhesive. Align the battery and install it. Then put on the new screen glue. After the cable is fastened, start to install the screen. Fasten the display and the motherboard cables and the battery cables. Install the mainboard cable cover and tighten the screws. After loading the screen, tighten the two fixing screws at the rear. Now turn on the phone and check whether the functions of the phone are normal. You can see that the phone functions normally, so this iPhone X battery replacement is over.